Hi, I'm Matt McAleer, Executive Vice President and Director of Equity Strategies at Cumberland Advisors in Sarasota, Florida. It is our belief that effective diversification isn't achieved strictly by security, but also by strategy. Today, I will be discussing the profile for International Equity ETF and how this strategy can tie into the diversified allocations we design for our clients. The objective of this strategy is to match or exceed the performance of its benchmark, the S&P Global ex-U.S. Broad Market Index, with lower volatility by constructing an internationally diversified model portfolio using broad-based international core ETFs and specific country exposures. Additionally, although our primary focus is targeting specific regions and countries, we can allocate to specific sectors and industries within those areas as opportunities arise. This strategy also employs risk management and allocation techniques that try to help stabilize returns while reducing overall risk. For example, the strategy has the flexibility to use cash as a defensive allocation and can also opportunistically rebalance holdings back to model targets. Causes for defensively raising cash within the International Equity ETF model may include interest rate or geopolitical concerns when applicable. Furthermore, the strategy's sell discipline is based on relative total return to its benchmark and bases its technical analysis on relative strength, trends, and macroeconomic changes. The International Equity ETF strategy uses demographic and economic projected changes to identify which non-U.S. regions and countries will be central to investment growth in coming years. Some of the macroeconomic data we review includes real GDP growth, OECD composite leading indicators, and purchaser manager indices. This information helps determine our selection of core countries within the developed, emerging, and select frontier markets that merit ongoing economic surveillance. Once Cumberland identifies specific international regions, countries, sectors, or industries to purchase, we screen available ETFs by assets under management while monitoring trading levels, liquidity, and institutional support. A client can expect to own approximately 12 to 18 different holdings at any given time. This methodology creates further flexibility to respond to changes in the market that lead to the reallocation of capital to the strongest asset classes within the international markets. We use trend, relative strength, and price analysis in an attempt to measure positive risk-reward opportunities. More importantly, our consideration for these factors highlights areas we want to avoid due to elevated risk. International Equity ETF is especially useful for clients who wish to add diversification to an otherwise heavily domestic equity-focused portfolio. Furthermore, in Cumberland Advisors' Private Wealth Management Division, we employ risk analytics to identify what percentage of one's overall portfolio can benefit from the International Equity ETF strategy. We'd be happy to review your current portfolio and share our thoughts and ideas on whether our International Equity ETF strategy or one of Cumberland Advisors' other offerings would suit your portfolio's investment goals. Please contact info@cumber.com to obtain materials regarding strategy performance and visit our website, cumber.com, for more information on Cumberland Advisors.